So we're off out tonight to the diner for dinner. It's a new one by us because they don't have that on Iona. So we're going to take you with us and we'll let you know what we think.
Darling. Would you like your free fruit? Thank you.
Thank you.
Should I please have the churros and the bean with that rib?
Harry's got like churros with a dip for a starter. So the savoury churros.
Chili cheese maybe?
Chili cheese.
Interesting.
David's gone for croquettes. What's in them?
They're called Reuben croquettes. I think it might be a bit of sauerkraut and beef.
Oh,
I would have thought.
nice.
Pickled cabbage and beef.
And mine's a trio of, like, what's mine? A trio of what?
Tortillas.
Of tortillas. And Nicole, what have you got?
I've got cornbread with honey and a jalapeno butter.
Jalapeno butter. Ooh.
That
Oh.
chili cheese.
Harry's just
Really
said
good.
that's really nice. And Seb has got
Pasta, green beans, broccoli, carrot and sweet.
good meal.
Oh yeah.
Enjoy, everybody. Enjoy, Dave. Wow, this looks amazing. I know I keep having steak, but I just fancied it again. David's got exactly the same, but look at Harry's ribs. They look amazing. Phenomenal. And what's Coley got? Coley, can you show me yours?
Chicken burger with
Chicken burger.
mayo and C word that we can't say right now.
Oh yeah, we're not allowed to say chips in front of the baby. And David's is the same. Wow. Amazing. So Harry bought a Miami Vice cocktail, and if you pay $1, was it?
Yeah, something like that. You get a little.
Look, a little pin. Let's go right in. That is so cute. It's a nice little keepsake for Sebastian's little box. I can't remember the name of this, but it was a chocolate one, which looks pretty good. That's cream at the side. And then this is key lime pie. A couple of them have got the key lime pie. Sebby's got his ice cream. And Harry has got some apple
Hush puppies.
apple hush puppies. What actually are hush puppies?
You know what? I don't know, but I wanted to try it out. It looks
Have a
like
look at the inside.
something like that.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what it's
clue.
like.
Like a sponge. Harry likes sweet stuff though.
Really nice. I can't really explain.
Not like a churro.
Yeah. It's
A bit like a
an apple
churro. An
Yeah.
apple churro. He's also going to end up having some of this.
Yeah.
And probably all of that. Such a cool venue. Bye. Bye guys. Bye. Look at this. How cool is this? It's such a cool venue. It's a really cool venue. So we just want to do a really quick roundup of that diner. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Think it's probably our favourite on-board restaurant. Do you agree?
Yeah, possibly, yeah.
Oh, you're not sure?
I really love the main diner. Yeah, a few nights this week, the main diner's been really, really good.
See, main diner's been okay for me. Nothing special, but that tonight felt really, really special. It felt different from other cruise ships, and it's not on Iona, it's not on any of the other P&O ships, so we really enjoyed it. We had like a mixture of starters, you would have seen it, and all the different mains. Really good quality. I love the theming. Yeah, really,
No
really.
extra charge.
No extra charge,
No.
yeah. Really, really good.
So I have to try maybe breakfast or lunch in there as well.
Yeah, we need to go back. I'm glad we've got another like 8, 9, 10 days, whatever it is we've got left. I think I'm being a bit
Yeah.
optimistic with 10. But we've still got quite a few days left, so I'm really glad we've been and checked it out. So yeah, highly recommend that. So that was just a little taster of our experience at the 6th Street Diner. We've got so much more content of our 2-week P&O Arvia Caribbean cruise. So make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on our future vlogs.